కొన్ని పాత్రలు కొందరి కోసమే పుడతాయి అన్నంతగా పాత్రను పోషించే నటులు అరుదుగా దొరుకుతారు. అటువంటి నటి అదితి రావ్ హైదరి. ఇండియన్ స్క్రీన్ మీద మోస్ట్ టాలెంటెడ్గా గుర్తింపు పొందిన అదితి వి సినిమాలో సాహేబాగా మరోసారి ఆకట్టుకున్నారు. స్క్రీన్ టైం కంటే తన పాత్ర ఎంత ఇంపాక్ట్నిస్తుందో తెలిసిన అదితి ఇప్పుడు మనతో పాటు జూమ్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. సో వి అందించిన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ను షేర్ చేసుకోబోతున్నారు. మరి అదితితో మనం మాట్లాడదాం. హాయ్ అదితి, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
So I'm fine, Aditi, and congratulations, super good movie. And మీ క్యారెక్టర్ వచ్చేసి ఫుల్ వెరీ గుడ్ క్యారెక్టర్ అండ్ ఎమోషనల్ క్యారెక్టర్. సో రిలీజింగ్ తర్వాత ఎలాంటి రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుంది?
Amazing, like much more than I expected. I knew that the film would be appreciated. I knew people would enjoy the performances. I knew they would love Nani. I knew they would like to see Sudhir as a cop. I knew the entire film is very well made. But the love for Sahiba and for the love story is more than what I expected. So I'm very happy, and if this is the way I wanted it to be, I wanted it to be really special because it was a very special part, and it's a very sweet love story, and there's very little of it. So I really hope that in that very short time, we can make that connection with the people, and the way people have responded has been so amazing. So I'm very happy and very grateful and thankful to the audience.
సో ఆడియన్స్కి సాహేబాగా బాగా కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయారు ఈ మూవీతో మీరు. సో అదితి కాదు, ఇప్పుడు సాహేబా మీరు. సో ఇప్పుడు నుంచి అదితి అని పిలవడం కాదు, సాహేబా అని పిలవాలి ఇప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరూ.
That's a nice name. I'm very happy.
నానితో వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి?
It was amazing. I always say this. Sometimes, quite often, I forget I'm an actor, and I'm also a fan of so many actors. And I've seen some films of Nani's, and he's an incredible actor. I have a lot of respect for him and for his choices and the way that he is. But sometimes when you meet an actor, you feel like, oh, I that person on screen is something, and then when you meet them in person, you're like a little disappointed. But with Nani, it was totally the opposite. It's like when I met him and when I worked for him, my respect for him went up that much more. He's very amazing to work with. He knows so much about filmmaking. He's so passionate about what he does. He literally eats, breathes, lives cinema. He's so good, and I think when I have a good actor in front of me, they make me better. So yeah, I'm a big Nani fan, and I really enjoyed working with him.
సో ఫస్ట్ ఇంద్రగంటి గారితో సెకండ్ మూవీ మీది వర్క్ చేయడం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇంద్రగంటి గారు మీ క్యారెక్టర్ గురించి మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు సో రెస్పాన్స్ మీకు ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయ్యారు? ఎందుకంటే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్, చాలా తక్కువ టైం మీది క్యారెక్టర్, బట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్ మీది. సో ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయ్యారు?
I always believe this, like hero or a heroine does not become a hero or a heroine because of the time that they spend on screen. They become a hero or the heroine because of the impact they have in the hearts of the audience. So if the audience takes you home back with them in their heart and you make a connection with them, then you have become their hero or their heroine. So I look at films and parts like that. And when Mohan sir told me the story, it was very, very clear to me that this love was a very special and very important part of this film. And it's because of Sahiba's, it's because of Sahiba's sense of justice and her want to do the right thing by saving that girl. Like, she gives up her happiness, she gives up her love, she gives up her child, she gives up her own life to save this other little girl and to bring her justice. So that character in my eyes is a very heroic character, and in the eyes of her husband also, in the eyes of Nani's character also, she's a hero. So somewhere it was so beautiful, and somewhere that love was so pure and so beautiful that I wanted to do it. And it didn't matter to me whether it was 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So that part honestly has gone through a lot of changes in terms of more was written, but then we chose to only show that much. And today people are like, we want to see more, we want to see more of Vishnu and Saiba, but I take that as a compliment. I rather people wish that they saw more than they're like, please baba, it's too much.
సో రియల్ లైఫ్లో ఉమెన్ ఇష్యూస్ మీరు చూసినప్పుడు న్యూస్లో చూసినప్పుడు సో ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అవుతారు?
If I heard about girls being trafficked, and we do hear about it very often, and people taking advantage of minor girls, etc., etc., or anybody, sexual harassment, domestic violence, anything, like, of course it upsets me. And I also have a very very strong sense of right and wrong and justice and injustice, and I rarely get angry, but these kinds of things make me very upset. um, so yeah, I mean, of course, in real also, I feel very strongly about it.
బాలీవుడ్లో చాలా మూవీస్ చేశారు అండ్ మంచి మంచి మూవీస్ చేశారు. అసలు చాలా అంటే మీరు చేసిన ప్రతి మూవీలో మీ క్యారెక్టర్కి సంబంధించి చాలా బాగా అంటే రెస్పాండ్ వచ్చేది బాలీవుడ్లో. సో అండ్ తెలుగులో వచ్చేసరికి అండ్ అప్పుడప్పుడు చేస్తున్నారు, కొన్ని మూవీసే చేస్తున్నారు అప్పుడప్పుడు. సో ఈ వి మూవీతో ఈ సాహేబా క్యారెక్టర్తో సో ఇంకా మీ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ ట్రాక్ ఇక లైన్లో పడినట్టేనా? ఇంకా కంటిన్యూస్గా మీరు తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీకి సంబంధించి మూవీస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారని అనుకోవచ్చా?
I would like to, but for me, it's very important to work with people that I really want to work with, to work on good stuff. Like, because I feel like films live beyond us, and it's so important to do the kind of films that, you know, we can be proud of, films that audiences can keep watching repeatedly. So for me, like, I really want to do films like that. It doesn't matter to me whether it's in Telugu or Tamil or Hindi or Malayalam. I'm very blessed, in fact, that all these audiences have been so good to me. Directors across the country have been so amazing to me. People have accepted me. So I feel very blessed about that. So I love the Telugu industry. The people here are very, very nice. I've enjoyed working here. So if I get good work here, if I get to work with good people, 100% I'll not think about it even twice.
నాట్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్ అండ్ అనదర్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆల్సో, అంటే వేరే క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇంకా వేరే నాని క్యారెక్టర్ కానివ్వండి ఆర్ అనదర్ హీరోయిన్ నివేదా థామస్ క్యారెక్టర్, సో ఇంకా ఏ క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీకు నచ్చాయి?
I of course love Nani's character because he drives the film, and the whole, like, through the film, every time he's doing something, you can see that pain and that love in his eyes. You know that there is something lacking in his life. So I love that character. It's such a layered, such a beautiful character, and he's done it very, very well. I like he and Nani puts little touches, you know, which you can, like, he's really brilliant as a performer and as an actor. Like, I love that scene at the end. It's one of my favorite scenes, where Nani and Sudhir speak to each other about Sahiba, and just the pain in Nani's eyes, and the shock and the sadness in Sudhir's eyes when they're talking about this. It was so beautiful. Like, I every time I see the scene, I cry. I don't cry when my throat is being slit, but I cry when I see, you know, his face and Sudhir's reaction. So I really like that scene. But so I really, of course, love his performance. I think Sudhir has been seen in such a new light. Like, I know Sudhir from Sammohanam, and then to see him as Aditya is like so different. And his action and his hard work shows, you know, very, very amazing.
వి మూవీ థియేటర్లో కాకుండా అమెజాన్లో రిలీజ్ అయింది. సో అందరూ కూర్చొని అమెజాన్లో మీ వి మూవీ చూశారు, మీ మూవీ టీం మొత్తం ఒక చోట కూర్చొని చూశారు మూవీ. సో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా అనిపించింది? థియేటర్లో కాకుండా నాని హౌస్లో చూశారు, నాని మీరు అండ్ సో అందరూ కలిసి ఒక చోట కూర్చొని మూవీ చూశారు. సో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా అనిపించింది?
It was great. I mean, it was so nice that we spent that evening together, because, you know, on the opening, that first day, first show, it's so important for the team to be together and to, you know, share each other's nervousness and excitement, and, you know, whatever it is, you've lived that journey together, and it's very, very important to share it, is what I feel. So it was really, really nice that we were all together, and it was very exciting. Yeah, I mean, what more can I say? I feel like really happy that we could be there together.
సో వి మూవీ మీకు ఎంత స్పెషల్ మూవీ? అండ్ ఇప్పటి వరకు మీ జర్నీలో ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు చేసిన మూవీస్లో వి ఇంకా ఎంత స్పెషల్ అవుతుంది మీకు?
See, some movies are very special in every way, and sometimes even a very very small part like this, can be very special. Um, I feel like for many reasons it's special. One, I like when you see the film, at least from all the feedback that I've been getting, the moment it goes into that love story, just for everybody, it's just like that. They feel like so moved by it, and they wish that these two could be, together forever, etc., etc., etc. So that makes it, the kind of reactions that I'm getting makes it really special. Also, working with Mohan sir again, working with Nani. And working on a film like this, like we've been through a lot in terms of this film was ready. 2 days before the film was supposed to release, lockdown happened. Then we all decided to release it on OTT for everybody. And now, with the kind of response the audience is giving us, you feel like, okay, it's all worked out for the best. And some films are just, I don't know, for whatever reason, they are just special and they stay with you. I think this is one of those. I've had quite a few very, very special films.
సో అండ్ కరోనా టైంలో కరోనా ఎఫెక్ట్, సో ఆ టైంలో లాక్డౌన్ టైంలో మీ లైఫ్ స్టైల్లో ఏమైనా చేంజెస్ ఉన్నాయా? అసలు ఎలా అనిపించింది లాక్డౌన్ టైంలో అసలు?
My main lifestyle change has been that I've been sitting in one place for a very long time. I don't think I've done that since I joined the industry in 2011. Since then, or maybe first 2-3 years, I must have been quite unemployed because I must have done one film a year. Post like 2015, I've only been running.
Okay.
And I love it. But after so long, I have been in one place for like months. That is a big lifestyle change for me. Also, the other lifestyle change is that I've been doing everything that I used to do as a kid, like dancing, singing, doing my yoga, doing my culinary, eating home food every single day. Yeah. What else? Yeah.
ఆర్ఆర్ మ్యూజిక్ అండ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్ ఆల్సో సూపర్బ్ రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుంది దానికి, అండ్ తమన్ మ్యూజిక్. సో ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు?
It's really good. There, like that background music keeps playing in your ears, and it adds so much to the whole narrative and to the scenes and everything. Very cool. Like that Nani's introduction with the, like when he's smoking, and that this thing is too good. It's like full CT moment. It's damn good. I really like it.
సో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి అదితి?
So I just finished, in fact, 10 days ago, I was in Bombay, or more than 10 days ago, I was in Bombay shooting a film with John. So just now, during this time. So it was quite an amazing shoot, but quite a hectic shoot. Everybody was in PPE kits. Set looked very different. Only John and I had obviously worked without masks. So that's one film. Then there are 2 more things in Hindi. There is one film with Dulquer in Tamil. There's one film with Vijay Sethupathi in Tamil. There's, I think, one Telugu film which has not been announced yet. Maybe one Malayalam film which has not been announced yet. Something or the other is happening. Let's see.
సో
I don't know.
రెగ్యులర్ షూటింగ్స్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి?
The film that I was shooting in Bombay was a regular shoot only.
ఓకే.
You mean like that everyday shoot running around type? That has not started yet. That I think will only start once everybody is a little more calm and less afraid. And it's complicated to shoot with so many conditions, because ultimately at least the kind of films I do are mainly love stories. So there's a lot of close proximity of the actors, and you can't be wearing masks.
సో ఈ మూవీలో మీకు నచ్చిన ఫేవరెట్ సాంగ్ ఏంటి?
Manasu Mari, of course.
ఓకే. యా.
Very pretty song. It's such a, like, you feel so happy when you see that. Even I feel like sometimes, when I watch myself, I'm like, ayo. But when I watch this song, I always have one smile on my face. It just looks so sweet, and it looks so, the situations are so sweet and so real, and people are also liking it a lot. People are liking Vishnu and Saiba, and song is very sweet.
ఓకే, మా కోసం ఒక సాంగ్ చిన్న 1 లైన్ పాడండి.
మనసు మరీ మత్తుగా తూగిపోతున్నదే, ఏమో ఈ వేళ వయసు మరీ వింతగా విస్తుపోతున్నదే నీదే ఈ లీలా అంతగా కవ్విస్తావేం గిల్లి అందుకే బంధించే నన్నిల్లి కిలాడి కోమలి గులేబ కావలి సుఖాల చావలి వినాలి కౌకిలి.
సూపర్ గా పాడారు, చాలా చాలా బాగా పాడారు అసలు. చాలా
Thank you.
బాగుంది అండ్
Lyrics
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అదితి. అండ్ వి మూవీ విశేషాలు చాలా మాతో షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు. అండ్ వి మూవీ ఓటీటీలో కూడా బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ సూపర్ హిట్ అవ్వాలని మేము మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.